Are you looking for a great family home in Canada? Hi, I'm Jeff McGowan, and I'd like to welcome you to 116 Spring Creek Crescent. This beautiful 3-bedroom home has an open concept main floor plan, walking distance to schools, right across the street from 400 acres of forest, and is perfect for your family. Come on in and have a look. I hope you enjoyed your visit to 116 Spring Creek Crescent. If this home looks to be of interest to you and you'd like to get further information, or perhaps book a private showing, please contact me. Thanks again for taking the time, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.